Inspirational bamboo flooring ideas. Bamboo has many of the characteristics of natural wood, which means it looks at home next to other hardwood elements, such as cabinets. The bamboo floor in this kitchen pairs with a golden oak stained hardwood for a warm, earthy tone punctuated with gray granite counters and stainless steel bar stools. Bamboo can be installed beyond the floor as walls, cabinets, and shelves. This lake house interior is designed to look like an extension of the outdoors. The elegant envelope of matching bamboo flooring and cabinetry has contrasting black counters. The steaming or smoking process that bamboo goes through to get its amber hue is called carbonization. When bamboo is not carbonized, it retains its natural straw color, as the flooring above shows. Carbonization also tends to make the bamboo slightly softer, and more expensive. The soft color of the bamboo floor in this kitchen enhances the softness of the white cabinetry. Horizontal bamboo flooring has a grain texture that shows the plant's knuckles. The knuckles are the places where the bamboo plant stalks come together as it grows tall. It's a look commonly associated with bamboo flooring. Horizontal bamboo flooring has a more natural, less uniform, and distinct look to it. A vertical bamboo floor, such as the one shown here, is created by standing up hundreds of strips of bamboo material side by side and laminating them together. The planks will not show the natural knuckles of the bamboo plant. Instead, the planks look more like stacked and straight strands of bamboo, giving a floor a clean, uniform appearance. The look of bamboo flooring is versatile and easily complements any decor, even a traditional interior such as the one above. The trick is to keep the color of the bamboo flooring on the darker side to best mimic traditional hardwood flooring and so it mixes well with other shades of wood in the room. Bamboo flooring keeps this open contemporary space light and bright, even when paired with a contrasting deep purple area rug. Lighter, more natural bamboo flooring fits in well with modern furnishings. Bamboo flooring seamlessly unites the kitchen, living room, and hallway, creating a natural sense of flow. The best way to achieve this look is to install vertical bamboo because of its uniform, clean, and streamlined appearance. Strand-woven bamboo, also uniform in look, would be a good choice to create a look of uninterrupted flow, as well. The strength and durability of bamboo makes it an ideal material for steps and stairways. Bamboo holds up exceedingly well under the stress of pet claws and heavy foot traffic. The bamboo step here unites the two rooms with the same flooring. For steps and stairs, always opt for the highest quality bamboo. Watch out when buying bamboo because inexpensive material scratches easily. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.